Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a Lego exploding car. Okay, you need the following pieces. Oh, this is the exploding car. So you need this little webcam's off. Whoops. This. Oh, sorry, I'm using my little laptop for webcam. Thank you, Chronographer, again. This is you push pressure on the top of this car, and it shoots right out, and the guy in the yeah, the guy's in there. Hold on. Let me take it apart. It's okay. This will only take a few minutes, seconds, even seconds possibly. Hello, prisoner. Oh, yeah. How bad are the graphics on this thing? It's either I need more light. Maybe I need more light. Hold on a minute. That's better. I hope. Hey guys, can you see this way? A little bit better. I don't know why we need more light. Well, he has a smile on his face. Does it? There we go. This is just my first time using a webcam, so yeah, I don't really know the ways of it. Excuse me. Hold on, I'm almost done. And guys, I don't mean to be gross, but the best way to take off parts that you're having trouble is with your teeth. Okay. So like bite it off like this. See? Part came off. Got it. Use the technique. Works every time. It does. Ouch. Get all the parts. Everything's here. You need 2 pairs of wheels. Yeah, see this little thing? Well, you need a little axle part that connects with the pairs of wheels. Here, see, it looks like this. Maybe I'm not on this little webcam thing. Okay, and the little wheels here. Actually, it's better when I put it closer to the camera. I mean, it looks way better. 4 of these and 2 of these. Okie dokie artichoke. Connect on both sides of the pair of wheels. Good. Twice. Do it twice. Don't forget twice. So you do this twice, and you need a 4x6. Oh shit! I dropped it. That's the part you need, and you need a sort of like 4x6, but the flat is like right here. Good. Connect the what do you do again? Wait, hold on. I even have trouble putting this on because I forget. Oh, right. See the little 4x6? Put it on top of the little axle part, so it looks like. Oh, we'll do it to both sides. a little car. Let's get turned into the Falcon Escape 4 in a minute. That's where the prisoner's little car is. Escape van. He's a bad boy. Ah. Sorry. Okay. This is the back. You need one of these. Kind of looks like this. Good. One. 1x4. Connect it. This part. That. Yeah. There's only one more part. I just forgot. And really, that is a good technique. You need like what? You need these 1x0. 4 of these 1x0 ramps, little small ramps. You know, they connect onto one of the little stud thingies. This is so small. It's gonna be hard to put it on the webcam. Do you see it, guys? Okay, anyway. This part, I'm sorry to bring everything up, it just gets a better view of it. Those random 4 little ramp parts, connect those like that, so you can lock the guy in there. Hold on, this is gonna be very useful in a minute. Watch it learn. Okay. I think this goes on there like that. If I'm correct, right? I think so. Put this in the bottom of right here. Looks like that. That's the little lock to lock the minifigure in. Excuse me. Just, no, it's, tell that it's, snowing out. Oh, right. I can show you that if you want. What a beautiful day. Snow everywhere. Hold on, I'm just gonna show you it really quick. I don't know why, I just wanna. It's okay, you don't have to skip through this because this will be quite a while. I mean, this will be a minute. Yeah. See the snow. I'm trying to see if I can see it. Well, anyways, you can see it snowed. It snowed. There's snow everywhere. That's the video. Hold on a minute. I just gotta close this, guys. That wasn't me. Just my sweat was rubbed on this little rope. Okay, back to the video. Where was I? Oh, the little ramp on each side of this. Make it look like this. Then connect this little jewel right there. That's the butt or rear of it. Show it. What is wrong with you? Just show it. I'm pretty sure everyone hates flu shots. I mean, come on, guys. You have to agree with me. Flu shots are really not that much necessary. Don't you just hate flu shots? Well, anyways, so if you're around me, I am fine. I just got it, even though it was probably irritating, even though there was no pain. It was very aggravating and irritating. So, still, I did get it though. Oh, sorry. You need a 1x4 thick and 1x2 thick and 1x6 thick. I mean, no, you need 2 of every single thing I'm telling you. Two 1x4s thicks and two 2x1s and 2 1x6s. Yeah, I learned how to talk Lego nerd. Now you need a thin 1x3 connected onto this thingamajiggy. I said connected to this thingamajiggy. Show up. What is wrong with it? Whatever. It's like a little flat. See the little yeah, there you go. A little bit better. Put it on either side of this thing. Oh, you need 2 of these, by the way, these little ramp things. Oops. Connect the 1x3s. Oh, you need 2 1x3 thins. Put them at the bottom of the little ramps. And connect it to the 1x3. The row of 1x3s. Oh, by the way, I showed this to some other people. Millions, like, love this. So, I decided to make a video. I showed millions of people my cool creation, my friends, not even my family, yeah. Usually my parents say my things are pretty lame when I do, but they said this is totally awesome. So, this should be cool for you guys to see. You need this, and some of these little, I shouldn't have connected it yet, but, oh wow, 15 minutes. Record, no, not really record. Shoot, I hate when I drop things. See this little, blue thing with a cross? Why you need something like this account? Oh, black for me. Hello? Well, at least you saw the end of it. So then I did drop it though. So you put that in the little cross that you just saw that drops. But you put it in the one that goes this way, not the one that curves. And you put the little black thing in. Connecting it. Getting ahead of myself. See this little black thing right here? Put it in the same place where you put this little blue thing. I said where you put this little blue thing. Technology really gets on my nerves. I'm serious, guys. I tried to play Ninjago on here. It didn't even work. What the heck? Okay. To make it easier, you can just get a 1x2, but since I'm, again, poor on Legos, I just use these 1x0s. Dang it! Show it! I hate when it just doesn't do this. Look at that, okay. Remember, I don't find the color, I just make junk. You need 2 of these little ramp parts. Whatever. happened? Oh, the laptop just it just slept on me. That's weird, but the little ramp on the little space where that little black thing is. My hands are sweaty. I wonder why I drop things. See, now it looks like that. Oh yeah, but some butterfingers today. Okay, 2x3. See the little small holes? I already covered it, so I just looked from the back. Put the other ramp on top of where this thing. That, see, it looks like a little ramp or something. Now put this. See this little transparent thing? Well, it can be any color, but it is a 1x2. It's transparent, so you can barely see it. So I don't see why this thing won't show it, but yeah, that would make sense. Put it on top of this little 1x2 flat. I'm gonna purposely drop it right now. See? Told you. So you can see the 1x2. Nice. Connect it to the transparent and then put it on top of the black ramp so it looks like something like this. Good. Now, you connect that part you made. Look at that job. Look at that stupid nut job. Put it on the very ledge of it or edge of it. See this little thingy right here? Put it right where that is. Show it! Okay. Now, there is a certain order you must do this in. This thing you made? You know, this little thingy-majiggy? Well, if you're making it and interested anyways. Well, you put this, it's really not supposed to fit, but this is the thing that goes up onto the top and then pushes the money. Oh yeah, by the way, you can get some money or fake fun gold if you want. If you really want to make it realistic, like a $100 here, $100. And it would literally make you feel like a $1,000,000. Sorry, joke. Gold. Gold. Show it. Wow, these are bad graphics. Oh yeah, by the way, this laptop is $450, so I have to be careful with this thing. And thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, for getting it for me. I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited making some fun YouTube videos on here. Put this in where the little hole is right here. Okay. If it slides in and out, it's supposed to do that. Yep. Well, you want to try to hold it, hold it in there, because there is really no fit that'll make it stay in there. Just make sure. Okay. See this little top here? Put in this. Put it at the bottom right here. So it looks like that. That wasn't on purpose that time. Okay, put it on top of this little car right here. Get. See the little parts that can be connected right here and here? I wonder why I was blinking for a minute. Oops. Put it in like this. Oops. Oh, by the way, this thing right here is like a little lock. So when you want to reload and put your guy in, take the part off so it look kind of like this. It look just like, you know, that. And as soon as you put your guy on, put the little lock in the back right here, and it kind of puts style to the car, actually. So put this little thing right here. Put the guy in. Yeah, there's a certain way you should put the guy in for some reason. Hold on. So, no, it's just because he won't fit in if you put him in this way. His arms are in the way. Put him in sideways like this or this. Or he might fit if you put him into a little ball. I don't know, maybe. I'm just experimenting. Going. Or if you put him into a ball, that could probably work. Oh, if his head will fit. No, just to put him in sideways. It's much easier. Stick him in there with his money. Make sure the money doesn't fall out because sometimes it could. And then put the lock on. Push it. Okay, guys, I'm just trying to get a good angle so you can see it explode. Rear down. See, okay. Time for a scientific lesson here. When you push on this, it will put force onto this to push out of it. So watch what will happen. You push this down here, this little lever. Well, it's kind of like a little lever. Push down on it. Pop! See, it explodes the top of the car, or roof of the car. And the money, and the gold, and the top, and the dude went everywhere. See? Whoops. So, really hard to get an angle in here, sorry. And, that's how you make an exploding car. Bye. Thanks for watching, YouTube, and, Star Rebel out.